back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a flower mirror type of DIY thing. I really wanted to do it today, so I'm gonna do it today. And don't mind my hair. I know it's a little bit crazy, but I didn't want to straighten it just for this video, and I'm going nowhere. So you're basically not gonna see my face mostly in this video anyway. But anyways, I'm gonna start this DIY mirror. I bought flowers. I did a flower thing for my sister's friend, and she has like 8 flowers, but I basically got these. She has a 38 and I have 30, so I might need more in the middle of this video. So we'll see. I'm just gonna map it out and plan it out. If we don't, I'll just make this like a 2-day type of thing. So I got these flowers from Dollar Tree, and I got the mirror from Walmart, and I got the hooks to hang on the door. So I don't know how it's gonna hang up, but hopefully it hangs up real good. So I hope it's gonna turn out right. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it on the bed. I'm gonna put my mirror on the bed just because it's the only area I can like put it down and map out my stuff. Map out the flowers. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, so what you're gonna need for the DIY is obviously the mirror. I have a hot glue gun with extra glue, scissors to cut off the flowers, and then obviously your flower choice. So I like, which one? I like these a lot. I was trying to get purple, but these are like way better, but they didn't have a lot of those, so I just got one branch of those, if that makes sense. So they didn't have those, so they had these purple flowers, so I was like, I'll just go with these because they only had one stack of these. But anyways, and I got pink and then I got white. So yeah, I'm gonna map it out and see how I'm gonna glue it on. But first I'm gonna take this thing off. Let me just set up my camera. Okay guys, so I went to the beach yesterday and I got like a whole bunch of shells, and I was thinking of gluing it onto the mirror too. So that's gonna be a possibility, but if I don't like it, I'm not gonna do it. So yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna start cutting these, and well, it's basically these things come off like, you know, very easily. You just pop it off. But I'm basically just gonna cut this part. I might even glue like the leaves. I'm not sure yet. Oh snap, see? One of them came off without, see this one. So basically if this happens to you guys, I'll just basically glue this on here to make it like stick, and then I'll glue, I don't know how to explain that, but I need to fix that. See, these are the ones I said I liked because they're just way better. Just look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, now that I have all those flowers off, I'm gonna take off that sticker right there. Jeez, that was so satisfying. Now I'm gonna like map out, well actually, I'm gonna cut off. I'm just gonna cut off these real quick. We were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. I've been drowning. Okay, so now that all the flowers are cut off and ready to be glued on, I'm going to like place them where I would put them and see if I have enough for the whole thing. And I might add some leaves from the stems just to fill in some spots, or I might want to go get more flowers. Okay guys, so basically there's there's not enough flowers to go all the way around. So I'm basically gonna add some shells because I actually like the way it looks. I tried over there too, like I like how that looks. So I am gonna actually do on the shells, and then I'm gonna go in and fill in with some leaves. And you know, it's gonna be my, you know, my creative parts basically. So we'll see what we come up with. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, but I know it's gonna look cute. So I'm gonna cut these off also because I just noticed that they have, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna put them in between and, you know, just make it look cute. I don't know. All you guys can do is just watch. Really, I don't really know how to explain what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay guys, so I basically have the placement of everything, but I'm just gonna add leaves where, like, you know, where the white is showing, and the shells I can add some, and we'll see how it turns out. But this is my plan right now. Obviously I'm gonna fill those in with like leaves and make it all pretty and add more shells and stuff, but I like it. And I like how the top has more flowers just because it's gotta be facing this way on the door. So yeah.
Supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say. No, mama, you never said tear, cause you up and said things year after year, and you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare.
Alright guys, so I'm about halfway, well, pretty much down here, that's it. And then I'm basically gonna be finished, but a little clue, if you guys gonna really glue shells on the thing, glue it like this, basically. And sorry for my nails because they're horrible. So glue it like this and you'll be fine. Because I've been burning my hand this whole time. So I'm gluing these on, and then I'm gonna glue this flower right here, or maybe, yeah, I'm gluing this flower right here. And then these are not glued on yet, they're just placed. And then this one, see if this happens, if your bottom comes off, okay, if your bottom comes off, just like, I don't know, glue it onto the thing that actually had it on. Glue it to this, there we go. Okay guys, I am done with my mirror. As you guys can see, I put like all flowers and leaves. Well, I have left out some leaves, but it's fine. And I forgot a flower that was on the floor, but it's fine. But I like the shells. I like everything about it. I'm just gonna let it dry for a minute, and then I'm gonna figure out how to put these hooks on. I got my screwdriver, it has screws. So later on, I'm gonna pick it up and try to figure out how to put it on the door, and then I'll be done. Okay guys, so it started raining, so hopefully you guys will hear that. But my mirror is complete back there, amazingly on the door. I'll take some pictures and stuff, but I love it. And it basically took the whole day. Okay, it didn't take the whole day, but yeah, it's so cute. Amazingly cute.
sipping on emotion, smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the ending.
I can see it in your eyes, cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake and the heat between your legs.
Go down, go down. Don't you be in, don't say that I was clever.
Monday to Sunday, it's never too late. So everyone say we don't wanna stop. Go.